Hello everyone, I'm Helge Wurdemann and I'm a lecturer at UCL Mechanical Engineering. Welcome to our lab, and today we talk about data mining for robotic balloon catheters.
Hello, my name is Andrea Palombi and I am a researcher here at UCL Mechanical Engineering, and today we're going to talk about the robotic balloon catheter we are developing here at Mechanical Engineering UCL to size the aortic annulus and determine the mechanical properties of the aortic annulus. We work in the context of transcatheter aortic valve replacement, which is a minimally invasive procedure introduced in 2002 to treat aortic stenosis in high surgical risk patients. In transcatheter aortic valve replacement, you would receive a bioprosthetic valve, which is delivered using a catheter like this.
I am now trying to interface a balloon catheter like this. Here we can see we have a balloon catheter and we are now monitoring the volume injected in the balloon with a syringe pump. We are also measuring the pressure inside the balloon catheter with a pressure sensor. We are going to inflate this device inside both rigid and compliant annuli to measure the geometry of the vessel and the compliance of the tissue.